So everything right now seems kind of calm. There's not a whole lot going on in the market. Prices aren't really moving that much. Actually, SHIB price looking pretty good. And frankly, there are a couple things I'm watching that may indicate where SHIB is going to move next. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell. Again, it's free to do it. We'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I keep stumbling across some of these negative articles, these negative posts. For example, Shiba Inu whales betray SHIB despite 1.62 trillion transfers. What's going on? And frankly, a lot of these tend to be somewhat misleading. All right. And I want people to understand that right now, when we look at the metrics in terms of Shiba Inu, nothing has really changed. In fact, look at what net flows have looked like for Shiba Inu just even over the last month. Been pretty consistent right here. I'm cutting off part of this. A couple big days of inflows, like we talked about, a little change in trend there, which is exciting. A little bit of his outflow yesterday, 199 billion SHIB in outflows. Really not that much in the grand scheme of things. Everything is kind of like even keel. Okay. Some ebbs, flows, slight ups and downs, but pretty close to the vest. In fact, we look at holders, same thing's happening. Pretty just following the wave, fighting its all-time high, coming down a little bit from yesterday, but for the most part, just staying pretty even keel. Even when we look at what exchange flows are doing just over the last week or so here, pretty even keel. Not a whole lot taking place. And really, I think a lot of this has to do with the FOMC meeting coming this week. This week is going to be very important for not just SHIB, but for the overall crypto market in general. And that's taking place, guys, in just 3 days. The 18th is the day that we're going to get the announcement from Jerome Powell. They're going to let us know what they're planning on doing as far as rate goes, what their plans are moving forward. And I think this is the moment where the market starts to open up a little bit. And that's when we really need to be watching these trends. That is when we're going to have an idea of where in the near term we will be moving. Maybe we get a little bit of a sell-off, right? Maybe we start to climb and maybe it's not a big spike, right? But climbing nonetheless, like Shiba Inu price has been doing. In fact, SHIB price over the last probably week and a half or so, guys, we're building. We're looking good. Everything for Shiba Inu right now is probably the best it's been in months. Okay. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And I want to remind people there have been many times where SHIB has seemed like not a whole lot's going on. It seems like we're just kind of chopping, not making up much headway one way or the other. And then things pop, right? This was the case all the way back in 2021 when SHIB went on its 6-month consolidation. This was the case all the way back here in 2020 before Shiba Inu really got even recognized by the market and it took off. That's kind of where we're at right now. We're at the time where everybody's kind of just chill, blah, not a whole lot going on. But then it wouldn't surprise me if SHIB spikes out of here, whether we have a climb, up into kind of these ranges here, 402 through 4028, or whether we just spike out. It's likely to be building nonetheless. Again, the good fundamentals for SHIB are the reason why we have a nice solid floor as we try to make those stabs upwards. Again, we're putzing around with our 20-day moving average. We got to break our 50. And then frankly, once we get back above our 200-day, it's full bull at that time. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, what you guys think. And again, if you haven't already, do make sure you check out that Margex link in the description below. Again, there's no KYC. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses, and the CASP airdrop is almost over. So I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.